This instructional video shows the proper way to clean the condenser of a TBB or TDD cabinet. Tools required for this task include Phillips screwdriver, stiff bristle brush, air tank or CO2, vacuum cleaner, and a flashlight. Step 1. Disconnect power to the unit. Step 2. Take off the lower grill assembly by removing the screws from the top and sides of the louver grill. Step 3. Clean off the accumulated dirt from the condenser coil and fan with a stiff bristle brush. Remember to brush up and down the coil and never side to side, as this could bend the fins on the coil. Step 4. After brushing the condenser coil, vacuum the dirt from the coil, again moving the vacuum up and down the coil and never side to side, as this could bend the fins on the coil. You may use compressed air or CO2 to clean the condenser as well. Just remember to vacuum the dirt off the floor and back side of the condenser to prevent it from being sucked back up into the coil. Finally, use a flashlight to shine through the condenser. You should now be able to see light on the other end, meaning the condenser is now free of debris. Step 5. Reinstall the louver assembly onto the unit with the appropriate fasteners. Step 6. Connect the unit to the power and check to see if the compressor is running. A recommended rule is to check the condenser coil every month for the first 3 months of use. This will tell you how dirty your environment is. Generally, you should be cleaning the condenser coil every 60 to 90 days, depending on the environment in which it is used. Never use filters in any shape or form, as these instantly block airflow and do not allow the unit to run properly. For additional assistance or questions, please contact TRU's Technical Service Department at 1-800-325-6152.